All of these words starts with letter G. A search engine. A search engine.
Google!
Correct. A long wall in Asia. A long wall in Asia.
Google Wall?
Wrong.
Alam ko yan eh. Siyempre nag-aaral ako, alam ko yan.
Great Wall of China.
Correct. Third, a popular sports drink.
Gatorade.
Correct.
Brain, ikaw dyan na.
A visitor.
A visitor.
Ano ba?
Wait lang.
Ang dulo, nandito.
Wait lang.
Guardian? Guardian?
Wrong.
Yes.
Correct.
Guardian!
Alright, next question. To show the way.
Google Map.
Wrong.
To show the way?
Yes.
Guide.
Correct. A stringed musical instrument.
Guitar.
Correct. A chewy substance.
Gum.
Correct.
Baboy ka sasabihin ko.
A place to grow plants.
Garden. Garden.
Correct. Alright. An activity with rules.
An activity with...
An activity with rules.
Girl Scout.
Wrong.
Games. Games.
Correct. Alright. Last question, guys. Kind and mild.
Kind in mind.
Yes. Guilt trip. Wrong. Oo. Kind and mild.
Ano?
Kind and mild.
Mild?
Oo.
Generous. Generous.
Wrong.
Goodman.
Ha?
Goodman.
Wrong.
Aquaman.
Wrong.
Gentle.
Correct. Alright. Anong mga names nila?
Sophia, ganda.
Alright. Anong names nila?
Riri nga pala.
Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys.
Wala na.
O, yun lang.
I do that.